Meet me at the bar. So grab yourself something to hold on. Make sure you have enough space on your left side because we're gonna travel today a little bit. So make sure to put the furniture, your dogs, everything away. And then let's start here with your forearm on your chair. If your chair is not as high, then just grab your chair with your hand. That's totally fine. But what we want is a side tilt here to lengthen our side body. You're standing like it's parallel, and we're just gonna lift and lower the left leg, okay? When you're ready, join me. Remember, standing leg is bent. Roll your shoulder back and down. Work parallel, so big toes facing down to the ground. Good. Now work for your so-called abductors, your lateral thighs and lateral glutes. Maybe you can lower your forearm. See what is possible with your chair here. Let's go for 8 more. 8, 7. Remember this exercise. We're gonna go for a little choreography again. 4, 3, 2. So now slow it down. We're gonna lift the leg and lower. Step onto your left leg, meet me in the curtsy lunge, and we come the same way back. So lift, lower. Step into your curtsy lunge, knees are facing to the side. Good. Let's go double time. So we're gonna up and down, curtsy, step, up, down, curtsy. Good. Lift, lower, curtsy. When you're ready, deepen the position, bend your legs even more in the curtsy lunge. If you want more, tap down to the ground. It's up to you. When you tap to the floor, bend your legs deeply and lengthen your spine, shoulders low. Good. Now listen. Keep going in this pace. If you want to work more on your strength here in your legs. If you want more cardio, then we're gonna speed it up in 4, 3, 2. If you want more cardio, double time. Maybe start here in level number 1. Stay upright. Still work with control. When you got the combination, maybe choose level number 2 to get your heart rate up, to train your cardiovascular system. Come on. Team, push it. Keep up the good work. Woo. Choose your level, choose your pace, and we're gonna go for 8 more. 8, 7, 6, shoulders low, 4, power bar today, and the last 4, 3, meet me at the bar with your leg high. We're gonna pulse. Ooh, catch your breath. Leg is burning, I know. Okay, the next session, I will show you from the side, okay? So stay here. So you're gonna bring the leg backwards. I turn towards the side so you can see what is happening. And we're gonna lift and lower the leg to the back. So a back leg lift here to activate the muscles at the back of your leg and your glutes. Join me when you're ready. So your chair is still at the side here. Okay? So keep your standing leg bent, keep your hip closed, keep your core active, and relax your shoulders. Let's go for 8 more. 8, 7, 6. Good. Now let's add another movement in 4, 3, 2. Slow it down again. So we're gonna lift the leg, lift. Now step backwards. Again, another step into the lunge. And step forward. Back leg lift with the left leg. I hope you're not confused because I'm working mirror inverted for you. Okay, double time. So we're gonna lift, lower, lunge, step forward, lift, lower. Good. So your chair is still at the side, like here. Up, down. If you want more progression, tap down to the floor. Keep your front knee above your heel. So don't do this. Stay here with your knee. Up, down, lunge, up. When you got that and you want to focus more on cardio, then speed it up. but you choose your pace, okay? Don't stress yourself. Good. Now, see if you want more. Then let's tap down to the floor. Are you ready? Let's go. Huh. Come on. Full body work. Put some energy in here. Mix of strength and cardio. Ha. You choose your level. Let's go for 8, 7, 6. Maybe stay upright if it's too much. 4, 3, 2. Hold the leg in the air. Woo, for a little pulses. Let's go. Up. Catch your breath. Your heart is beating. Your breath is going. You're alive. Good. Listen, we're gonna combine the 2 series. 4, 3, 2. Now lift your leg to the side and we're gonna go into the curtsy. Then swipe it backwards and you're gonna go back into the lunge. To the side. So nothing new. We just put both choreographies together. Okay, so swing the leg to the side and meet me in the curtsy lunge. Now swing your leg to the back and meet me in the lunge position. Maybe level number 1. Stay upright. Good. Maybe level number 2. Meet me down on the ground. Tap it down. Ha, woo, and down. Maybe you don't need your bar anymore. Then skip. Ready? Double time. Let's go. Ha. And back. Lunge. To the side. Curtsy. To the back. Classic lunge. So we're gonna combine classic ballet movements with classic functional exercises. If you want more, tap down to the floor. Ha. Woo. Keep breathing. Side. Curtsy. Back. Lunge, side, curtsy, back, and a lunge. 4 more. Ha. 3. Woo, obliques are working as well. Last one. 4, 3, 2, 1. Just tap it in and out. Catch your breath here. Show you the movement from the side. Standing leg is bent. Simple movement here in between to relax our brains. Okay. See if you want more. Then lift your knee off. Ha. Point the left foot. Bring tension in all 5 toes. Good. See if you want more. Then let's add a jump. Ha. Ha. Show you the movement from the side. Use your arms to find your balance in the air as you jump. Ha, ha. If it's too much, go back into the knee lift. If it's too much, go back into the tap. And breathe. Come on, here are your last 4, 4, 3, 4, 3, 2. March it out, relax. Catch your breath. Maybe drink some water. And then meet me on the second side. Shake it out. Woo. Good. Drink some water, team. Yeah. Or relax, shake it out. And do whatever you need to collect some energy, to collect some breath. Okay, then make sure you have enough space on your right side. Grab your chair or whatever you have to stabilize yourself with the left hand, or ground your form. That's also totally fine. So we lengthen the right side body. Left standing leg is parallel. Knee and toes are facing forward. And we're gonna lift and lower the right leg as we did before. Whew. Oh, I'm out of breath today, but that's good today because with this, we really train our cardiovascular system. So remember here to turn the leg in so your big toes facing down, your little toes facing up, so you can't see my heel here, right? Good. Really work with the lateral thighs and glutes. Open your chest, roll the right shoulder back and down. Let's go for 8 more. 8. Standing like a spent. 7. Okay, team. We're gonna add the step into the curtsy lunge. Okay? In 4, in 3, first slowly, slow it down. So we're gonna lift the leg, lower step, and then we're gonna meet in the curtsy lunge and step. So you shift your weight onto the left leg, come onto your right leg, turn your legs outwards, and step towards the chair. Double time. Up, down, curtsy, move towards the chair. Move away from your chair. Good. Maybe stay here with an upright posture. If you want more, then tap down to the floor. More functional here. See what you need. And up, step, down. Good. Maybe stay here in this pace to work more in strength. Maybe you want to speed it up to work more on your endurance. You choose. Good. Oh, love this song. See if you want more. Tap down. Ha. Lift and tap. Come on. When you've chosen your level, then go for 8 more. 7, maybe stay upright. Maybe slow it down. It's your workout. 4, 3, 2, meet me at the bar. Hold your leg in the air, let's pulse it up. Woo. Lateral thighs are burning. Maybe shake it out and then come back even stronger. Good, 4, 3, nice and wide chest, think about your posture. Now let's move your leg backwards so your leg is behind you. We're gonna lift and lower the leg. Good, I show you the movement from the side, up and down. Standing like a spent. Hip is closed. Lower back is steady and calm, shoulders are relaxed. 8 more, 8, 7, 6. So your chair is still on the left side. I only turn around so you can see what is happening next, okay? Good. Let's slow it down. So we're gonna lift the leg, step onto your right. Now step back with the left into the lunge. Again, so right leg up, step onto your right foot, step back with your left leg into the lunge, knees above your heel. Ready, double time. Up, step, lunge, again. Up, step, lunge. Good. In the lunge, bend both legs. Keep your shoulders above your hips to get all your power out of your quad on your front thigh. See if you want more, then tap down onto the ground. But don't do this. Shoulders low. Up. Step down. Hop. Good. If you want to work on your strength, keep going like this. If you want more cardio, you speed it up. Don't move into the hollow back. Think more in length than in height here with the back leg lift. Okay? When you got that, you want more, tap down. Ha! Ha! Keep breathing, team. Work powerful here. Ha! 8 more. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Last 2. Hold the leg in the air, standing like a span. The last pulse is here. Up, up. Woo. Come on, I know it's burning. Now prepare yourself for the combination. I turn towards you. Okay, are you ready? 4, 3, 2. Swipe your leg to the side. 1, 2. Curtsy lunge. 3, 4. Now backwards. 1. Lunge position. Again, to the side. Woo, swing it around, but with control. Keep your abs under control. Double time. Hop, back, side. Nothing new again. Just a combination of the 2 series. Hop, let it flow. And tap. And tap. See if you want more, then tap down. Hop. Hop. Come on. Think about your posture. Shoulders are moving away from your ears. With power, team. 4 more. 3. Just 2. Woo! Last one. Good. Now tap back and in. Ha. Ha. Tap in. Tap in. Little active recovery here. Last cardio session. If you want more, pull your knee to your chest. Let's go. Ha. Good. Let's burn some calories. If you want more, add a jump. Use your arms in the jump. Woo, let's go. 8 more. 7. 6. When you decide to jump, land quietly and with control. 3, 2, 1, and march it out. Good work, team. Thanks for watching. If you like this workout, then let's take it to the next level together. Join our online studio and be part of our weekly live streams via Zoom. Get real-time feedback on your exercises and connect with a community of amazing women. So let's create a workout routine that keeps you committed and motivated. Or continue with this free YouTube workout over here. See you there.